betrayal and arrest of Jesus. Luke chapter 22. We start now. We continue verse 47 to 53. So wait. When we have to briefly discuss when they came to arrest Jesus, yes? Judas was with them, yes? What did Jesus ask Judas when he was about to kiss him? Yes? Yes? Who was cut the ear with a sword? Who was cut the ear with a sword? Yes? Sorry? A soldier. No, you people are reading Matthew. Yes? Yes, it is the word of the high priest. What does the Bible say? We just read. Yes, the slave of the what? High priest. And Jesus touched the ear and healed him. Yes. So Jesus asked also the elders who had come, why they'd come with swords to do what? To arrest him like a what? A robber. So that is very easy to read.
One of the 12 was leading them. He revealed them to Jesus to give him. But Jesus said to him, Jesus, would you betray the Son of Man with a kiss?
And when those who were brought him saw that he followed them, said, Lord, shall we strike with shadow? And one of them struck the tree of the high priest and cut off his right ear. And Jesus said, no more of this. And he cut his ear and killed him.
When I was with you, day after day in the temple, you did not lay hands on me, but this is your hour and the power of the darkness.
Yes, that is, first we are supposed to reach there, verse 53.